going to show you how to put on a decal. Not that I think it's difficult, but it might save some people a little aggravation. So I like to tape my decal in place after carefully measuring. Just put the tape right at the very bottom like so. Then take it from the top, peel the decal back on the transfer paper very carefully, and slide the backing out like so. Now we're ready. Hold it, make sure there's no dust or grains of dirt under your decal. Then just let it go down as you apply it with a nice squeegee. And that's it. If you do it like that, you shouldn't get any air bubbles. Should look nice and flat. Then peel back the transfer paper. Oops. That's no problem. Let me fix that. Push it down real good. Like so. No air bubbles. That's what you want. That's it. It's that easy.